Hey guys, in this call we'll go through how to create a nested well in your well diagram. So here you can see we've got a few different templates. We'll pick this example template here has got some CPD data as well as a well diagram. You can see we've got one well installed, but let's do a diagram for a nested well. So what we need to do as a first step is to go into wells. You can see the well data here on this example project. You can see we've got all of our backfill logged around the well and a single well here. So you can see well ID, but you can change that to a instrumentation number or whatever your numbering sequence is. We've got a well ID A. From 0 to 12 is solid PVC. From 12 feet to 30 feet is sloped PVC. To add a nested well, all we need to do is add a new well log. And we'll go well. We'll just say from this one is from 0 to 30. And we'll say it all, we'll call it well ID B. We'll say it's all slotted. Save. And you should see your well diagram populate with a second well. And there's not really any limit to how many wells you can jam in a borehole here. So if you want to do a nested well with three wells nested or 4 wells nested, you can. Cool. So you can see a nested well starting to form here in your well diagram. And you can adjust how this looks depending on how many wells you're nesting just by going to customize your log. Go to the well diagram settings and let's increase the width of our wells here. So maybe 50%. We'll reduce the graphics down a little bit. There we go. 0% of this column remaining. We can just update our logs and see how it looks. Perfect. So it's looking a little bit more balanced here on the right. All of these you can keep toggled off. You'll want to play around with these settings when you start having wells with different size casings as well. That may be left or maybe left in the ground or just temporary drilling casing. You can show backfills around the casing and backfill between the well and the casing as well separately. So that's what all those other settings here are for. But for the majority of your installations, you'll be dealing with just your well and your regular casing backfill here. Perfect.
TaLogs, data collection, reporting, and management.